Most people think starting an online business costs hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month. And what if I told you that there was a way to build an online business with all the right tools for less than $40 a month? Yeah. Here's the problem. So many people try to start online and quickly get overwhelmed. You're told you need a website, an autoresponder, hosting, traffic tools, and before you know it, you're paying 100, 200, and more without even making a single dime yet. That's why so many people quit before they ever see results. And a lot of times there's no guarantee that you're going to get good results with it. Okay, that's why I found this budget-friendly funnel. And here's how it works. You get your website and web hosting from GDI for $10 a month. You get your list builder and autoresponder plus advertising from Leadsleep for $27 a month. And you get a pre-built funnel that you just simply put share codes in, and there's all training videos on how to set it up. You get the pre-built funnel with capture pages, bridge pages, follow-up emails, and even traffic resources. So you end up getting multiple streams of income with this. Okay, now there's no guarantee you're going to have the same success here, but I can guarantee one thing. You won't be any further along next year at this time if you keep doing the same things that you're doing. Okay? Instead of juggling 10 different tools and draining your budget on expensive things that don't work, and this is a proven system that works. Okay? You can start building your list and growing multiple income streams, all from a funnel that costs you less than a lunch. And once it's all set up, it keeps working from you in the background 24/7 while you're living life and doing the things you love. You do have to send traffic. Okay, so if you've been looking for a way to finally start online without breaking the bank, click the link below and go to carol.ws and take a look at this budget-friendly funnel today. God bless you and take care.